Hey everyone, I'm Mickey, one of the co-founders of Flair, and today I want to talk about how AI is going to impact the modeling industry. Models are no longer a luxury that only high-end brands can afford. We've already seen over 1 million users generate AI models on Flair to sell their beauty products and clothing.
You can generate models for your fashion photo shoots too in 4 steps. It's super easy. First, take a photo of your top on a flat surface and avoid creases. Next, head to Flair.ai. Now we're in the fashion editor and we're going to upload our It's So Over top. Flair will quickly perform an analysis to try to guess its properties. Next, we're going to try to see how the top fits to different models. You can experiment with different body types and angles. Once you're done, describe your model and background, then hit generate. As you can see, Flair gets the text and fabric right. It truly is so over. Next, just to show you that it works from different angles, I'm going to go back into the pose section and choose this model that's staring at us from the side. To animate it, I'm going to head to LUMA Labs and type in this simple prompt. These are the results.
In terms of how AI models are going to impact the real modeling world, I personally think that catalog models are at the highest threat of being commoditized. If you've got a large Instagram following, or if you have a personal brand, if you're that sort of influencer, you'll probably be fine. You can use AI cloning services to scale yourself to even more customers. It's like being in many different places at once. We'll see what happens, but let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. If you want to try out Flair, you can find us at flair.ai. Hope you have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye.